Okay, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your curtain. Alright, you're going to need these two handy tools. Alright, get a scissor, cut right here, like that. Alright, this pops out. Put your finger there, pull this out, and then just take these out as well. Okay, you don't need this instruction, so just put them to the side. You're going to see, you're going to have 4 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and your little screws over here. Alright? So you got your curtain. You want to make sure you cut it to the right size.
Cut it to
so
the
that
right
when
size.
you hang it, it doesn't, grab all the, slip on the floor or whatever. So you want it a good size. Once you do that, I'm going to grab your first piece, which is this one. It's got a white piece in the back, like an adhesive paper. So which one do you want to take that off? Okay. Take it off, and you place it a little bit about the same distance below, but it's same width below the curtain. That way you can fold it on top. Okay, so you go ahead and fold it like that. Good size. Alright. I'm gonna fold it, and then you're gonna put this part in. Make sure you got the screw holes facing up so you can work with it. Put it in up there, and then it slides in. Okay, once you do that, you go for your tool kit, your screw kit. I'm sorry. Open your screw kit. You should have these 2 things for those screws there. You're gonna see these little ones. You should have a whole bunch of little ones and one that's bigger than the rest. So pull that one to the side and then grab 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, then you get your handy tool kit, your handy tool thingy-majig, and we're gonna screw it in. You set it up like this before you go in. So you set it up on the tool, and I usually start with the middle ones. Okay, and then just roll it in with your finger. All right, that's one. Make sure it's flushed.
Sorry. Look at that.
And 4. Okay, so now we do the other side. Turn it around. Make sure this is facing up as well. When you start working with this side. Okay. Now we're going to do the same to this side. Take this off, just like that. All right. Manipulate it, just eyeball it. You can, if you're a perfectionist, you can measure it, whatever. I personally don't mind just eyeballing it. All right. Make sure the holes are up again. Feed it in through one side and then just slip in the rest. Okay. Go ahead and grab the screws. Again, start from the middle. Till it's flushed. Okay. All right, once you got the 4 screws, you look at this, it's gonna have like a little flat surface here, flat surface here, and then like a little curvy here. You want the curvy to be looking up, and you want this to be looking towards your curve. So you're gonna place it in, slide it in, just like that. Then you're gonna grab the bigger one, looks like this, exactly like the other one's, just a little bigger. Put in your tool. And you screw it in. You go to the other side. And you got this piece, and you do the same. This facing up. I'm gonna grab this little screw right here. Put it in. And you're gonna grab your screwdriver. That's good. Okay, should look something like this. Okay, now you're gonna grab these 2 babies and you're gonna put them up there. Okay, just gonna slide it in like with the wheels. Usually you do this facing up, facing your way, or facing out. In my case, I'm gonna do it with the curve facing out. So you slide it in like this. Got the other one do the same thing. All right, once they're in, okay. And now you grab the curtain. Put it here, here, and slide it in. Okay, put it in. Alright, the same thing with the next one. Put it in. Alright. Finally, now I'm going to grab this little piece and your handy dandy tool. And just going to slide it in. Okay, I usually align it with the bar right here. Put it down, you can use the long way, that way you don't hit the bar. And just screw it in. Kind of like a stopper, it functions like a stopper. Okay. Go there. Once they're both in, you get your little piece that comes with it, and you connect All right, thanks for watching.
Bye.